Hi, I'm Esther. I'm a junior producer at Big 3 Media. I knew back then what I really wanted to do, which was creative writing for TV and new media. I was a very quiet and introverted person. I always hid in the library. The library was my sanctuary. My entire extended family, they all went through the tried and tested route of go JC, then go uni. When I had to make a choice to go to JC, they were very supportive of that fact. But when I failed, and I failed again, I didn't know what to do, and they didn't know what to do with me. I was thinking, why can't I be like them? Why can't I be like my cousins? Why can't I be like my friends? Like, I felt like a failure. My grandma always wanted me to follow the same path as my cousins. Like, one of the first things she said hurt me a little bit. She said, "Why are you U-turning?" To her, what a stable future meant. They all ended up in JC. They went to the respectable unis. I went to sneak into the SP open house. And then the first lecture I saw was you. And then the only question I had for her was, can I still apply even though I'm like a mature student? And then she's like, yeah, sure, we have a lot of mature applicants. I was like, okay, I think I feel right, it feels right. So when I first got into Poly, when I saw the cost, all the modules, what I was going to learn, I looked forward to everything.
When I taught you in year 2, you started to take on more leadership roles, like producing roles. And I saw that potential in Esther. When I saw her on set, I was like, whoa, who is that girl? You know, she's like normally, a little bit on the quieter side, but when she's on set, she was like shouting, quiet on the set! Something that we couldn't imagine of Esther when she was in year 1, yeah.
After I've been through Poly, my grandmother, she saw how happy I was to go to school. She just totally turned around and was really supportive all the way. I would advise them to not forget who they are, what they really want to do, and tell someone about your dream. Don't let anybody take it away from you.